Hey guys, let's see how to have your Tapo C210 working on a Windows PC or Windows laptop. Here I have a Dell laptop running Windows 11 and I can just watch my cameras here. As long as I have the camera working here on the Tapo app, I'm good to go because I'm going to use the same app back there using an emulator, all right? So if you don't have your Tapo camera working, you just need to come to the App Store and download your Tapo app. Just look here for Tapo and then TP-Link Tapo, download, create your account, and you're good to go. You can log into with your account and add the Tapo C210. I have another video here in the channel. If you don't have your Tapo C210 working yet with the app, just follow the video and you can make it work here. As long as it's working here, you just come here to your computer and look for this BlueStacks.com. You just go here and download the BlueStacks emulator, all right? That's the software that you're going to use on your Windows 11. And here, let me just open it up and you're going to see this software working. There's a lot of advertisement here, but that's the way it is. You just need to have this advertisement working here because it's a free software. And then from here, you can come to the search bar and look for the Tapo app. So just enter here Tapo, hit enter, and don't forget to click here on search in Google Play. Then you can find your Tapo app. And you also need to log in with your credentials on the Google Play because you need to install this here from Google Play, okay? Link with your credentials, look for the TP-Link Tapo, and you can open it up here. And then it starts working and you can see everything here from Tapo, every single camera that you have, including the C210. There we go. I just come here and I see the camera live. So super simple, and I can control everything from here. I can take a screenshot, do the manual recording, control the volume, do voice call, talk, pan and tilt, alarm off, privacy mode, everything, right? And also the playback and download. And with this software, I can even have more than one camera here. See that I can split the screen with 4 screens, for example, and I can have more cameras available here, right? Let's say this 260 and this 310 and this C400. So I can have every single camera working here. And I'm good to go with multiple views, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can have your Tapo C210 working on a Windows 11, on a PC, laptop, whatever you have back there, okay? I hope that helps. Just give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.